Hey Sandra, my name is Devin, and I spoke with David earlier on getting this video over, showing how we can help get you guys more leads and more business. Really quickly, I wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website that can beat out Boti Tree right here. As we see, they're on the first page of Google when you type in Atlanta Tree Service. They're right here, as well as down here in this organic listing sections. So I know you're most likely sitting there asking yourself why I'm making you this video. Well, it's really simple. I found out that a lot of business owners are so busy actually running their business, they don't really have time to learn how the internet can bring them more leads and more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is that they don't know who is and who is not an expert. So I found out by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Some owners go out and do this stuff on their own, and some of them actually end up calling me back. So whatever you decide to do with this information is totally fine with me. I'm just here to educate you and just provide you with some good information. So I want to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First thing I want to start off with is content. As you see, I have your guys' page pulled up right here. You guys have a very nice page. I could definitely tell it's created by a professional. It has really bright colors, good pictures on here. But what Google cares most about is all this content you guys have right here. Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on here because in their eyes, that's what's going to keep the customers on your page longer and on Google longer. So I added up all the words right here. You guys have about 500 words of content. Um, and then come over here to your competitors of Boti Tree. You see these guys maybe have 100 words of content, which is definitely not going to be authorized in Google's eyes right here. Um, so equally important to this content, it would be keywords. So a keyword is anything people are typing into Google when they're trying to find business. So for example, Atlanta Tree Service, this gets 720 searches a month. So you want to add in those high volume keywords into your content right here. So when people are searching for these, Google will know to bring up your website for these keywords. So my first tip is just to get this website to 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this front page, as well as throwing in those keywords. So my second tip is going to be backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to your website. This is very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy websites vouching for your company. And they want to see relevant websites at that. They'll give you a lot more power for using other tree companies and other contractors rather than like Pizza Hut linking back to your website because Google understands you don't make pizzas for a living. So I like to use Ahrefs to check this. There's a lot of free sites out here. You could just type in a backlink checker on Google. But as we can see here, you guys have 56 different websites with your link tagged a total of 104 times. If we hop over here to Boti Tree, we see they have 143 different websites sending 562 total backlinks to their site. And it's very easy to beat these guys in this category. Literally, all you have to do is copy them. If these were good enough to get them ranked, they'll be good enough to get you ranked as well. So you literally just come in here. A lot of these are free. Some of these may cost like $100 or something like that. Some of these are blog comments, but you really just create an account and then in the description you just drop a link back to your website in here, and that's pretty much it. Or if it's a blog comment, you might just leave like a little short blog post and then send a link to your website in that blog post. So again, you just come in here and then basically just copy paste whatever's working for them is going to work for you guys. So with those first two tips with the content and the backlinks, that's what's going to get you ranked organically down here. And this everything under this map pack section is the organic listings. That's what's going to get you ranked first on this first page right here. If you want to be ranked right here in the GMB, the Google My Business section, this has everything to do with citations. And a citation is anywhere your name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just a website that allows you to list your business information. All of this is completely free. For example, it'd be like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages. All these are free to list your website in. So I like to use whitespark.ca to find this. I see you guys have 8 citations and Boti Tree has 71 right here. So literally same as backlinks, you can come in here, you can see exactly what directories they're using to list their website. And you want to come in here and you want to literally copy all 71 of these websites. And then you want to go out and get more. If they have 71 websites, I would suggest going out and getting 200 to really blow these guys out the water. So that's basically all I have for you, Sandra. So just a quick recap. I went over content on that front page, getting 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this front page along with keywords. Then I went over backlinks and copying these guys' backlinks and then just getting this up right here. And then as well as citations. So going out and taking those citations and then going out and getting more to really dominate them. So I tried to be as quick and brief as possible. I hope this information was very useful to you. And if you want to get a hold of me, my name is Devin again, and my number is 775-402-2885. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll be looking forward from hearing from you. Thank you.